Now I will discuss about formation of hydroxyl ion and self-ionization of water. The hydroxyl ion is formed when hydrogen ion is removed from water molecule. See the structure of water molecule. I have already discussed the formation of water molecule. Now water molecule has two single covalent bond and two lone pair of electron. When hydrogen is removed from water molecule, the shared pair of electron remains with oxygen as oxygen is more electronegative and thus hydroxyl ion has negative charge. Now water molecule contains two hydrogen atom and one oxygen atom. A positive hydrogen ion is formed when water ionizes. This H plus ion is transferred from water molecule to oxygen atom of another water molecule, forming hydronium ion. Formation of hydronium ion has already discussed. Thus, H3O plus and OH minus ions are formed by water molecule. So this is the formation of hydroxyl ion and self-ionization of water, and this is all about the chapter of chemical bond. Thank you. Hello everybody. On continuing the chapter chemical bond, today we are going to know coordinate bond. The first definition, what is coordinate bond? The bond formed between two atoms by sharing a pair of electrons provided entirely by one of the combining atoms but shared by both is called a coordinate bond or dative bond. This means coordinate bond is formed by a shared pair with both electrons coming from the same atom. A coordinate bond is formed between two dissimilar atoms. Let A and B. One of them, let A, has one or more lone pair of electron, and another atom, let B, is short of pair of electron than the nearest noble gas configuration. The atom which supplied shared pair of electron is known as donor, while the atom, let B, which uses the shared pair of electron is known as acceptor. The coordinate bond is shown by this sign, and head of the arrow is towards acceptor. That is A towards B. Coordinate bond is directional bond. A coordinate bond has properties of both covalent and ionic bond. Therefore, it is called co-ionic bond. Now, see the example of coordinate bond. First, formation of hydronium ion. Formula H3O plus. How it is formed? First, when acid dissolve in water, leading to the formation of hydronium ion. Now, in case of hydrogen, atomic number 1. So, electronic configuration, in first cell there is one electron. So, according to electronic configuration, it needs one electron to complete its duplet and can acquire the configuration of nearest noble gas, helium. And in case of oxygen, electronic configuration 2,6. Therefore, it needs 2 electrons to complete its octet and can acquire the configuration of nearest inert gas, neon. So, when a molecule of water is formed, this is water molecule. When a molecule of water is formed, each of the two hydrogen atom share an electron pair with the oxygen atom such that hydrogen acquires a duplet and oxygen acquires a octet. Now, in water, oxygen contains two lone pair, this is lone pair, of electron after completing its octet. Lone pair means a pair of electron not shared with any other atoms. Now, in case of hydronium ion, when hydrogen loses electron, it forms H plus ion and it has no electron and it cannot exist. So, hydrogen ion accept lone pair of electron of the oxygen atom of water molecule, leading to the formation of hydronium ion. So, hydronium ion has a lone pair, two single covalent bond and a coordinate bond. This is hydronium ion. Now, another example, formation of ammonium ion, NH4 plus ion. Ammonia when dissolved in water, leading to the formation of ammonium ion. Now, in case of ammonia, hydrogen atomic number 1, so it needs, according to electronic configuration, it needs 1 electron to complete its duplet and can acquire the electronic configuration of helium. And in case of nitrogen, atomic number 7, so according to electronic configuration, this is electronic configuration of nitrogen, therefore it needs 3 electrons to complete its octet and can acquire the configuration of nearest noble gas neon. So, when a molecule of ammonia is formed, each of the 3 hydrogen atoms share an electron pair, this pair of electron pairs with nitrogen atoms such that hydrogen acquire a duplet and nitrogen acquire a octet. So, in ammonia, nitrogen atom contains a lone pair, this is lone pair of electron after completing its octet. Now the hydrogen ion from water accept this lone pair of electron of the nitrogen atom. See this? The hydrogen ion from water accept the lone pair, this lone pair of the electron of nitrogen atom of ammonia molecules, leading to the formation of coordinate bond and form ammonium ion. So, ammonium ion has 3 covalent bond and 1 coordinate bond. Now, see a compound which shows 3 types of bond. NH4, see the compound NH4Cl. When ammonia and hydrogen chloride react with each other, ammonium chloride is formed. So, in ammonium chloride, 2 ions NH4 plus and Cl minus are present. The nitrogen in ammonia contains a lone pair of electron. So, it is donor and the hydrogen ion accept this and the hydrogen ion accept this lone pair. So, it is accepted once. This is lone pair. So, it is donor and this is and hydrogen ion is accepted. Once this bond is formed, all the 4 NH bond becomes identical. The linkage forms an ammonium ion having a single positive charge. When ammonium chloride is formed, cation NH4 plus having three covalent bond and one coordinate bond, and anion Cl minus are attached towards each other due to electrical charge existing between them. So, ionic bond is formed. Thus, in NH4Cl, all three bond, ionic, covalent and coordinate bond is present. So, NH4Cl is the example of a compound which has three types of bond: ionic, covalent and coordinate. Now, I'll discuss about formation of hydroxyl ion.